Hi, this is Mohammed Al-Mazid. GPS is a word everyone has heard, but does it really mean? Today, I will give you a technical definition for the Navistar Global Positioning System, more commonly known as GPS. Simply defined, GPS is the program that uses satellites operating the air to locate receivers on the ground to find where they are located on the earth. The GPS system uses technology called triliterations, which means that at least three different satellites send location information to a GPS receiver, and then GPS can narrow down the location of the receiver. For an everyday users, GPS can determine a location within about 10 to 100 meters. People use GPS in their car, and their phone, and many other devices because GPS has reached an all-time low cost. But GPS is not just for finding a store you may want to visit. In fact, the GPS system is owned by the U.S. Department of Defense, operated by the U.S. Air Force, and has greater background and context than just finding an address. Let me tell you about it. In the 1916th, scientists used something called the Doppler effect, which was a measurement of radio signals to tell how far or close something was another object, tracing the signals as well. In the 1917th, the US wanted to establish a reliable and expanded satellite system for navigation, and they were built to build a fully operating GPS system by the year 1993. It has 24 satellites, and it has two levels it works on. First, the standard positioning service, which is only measured on one frequency of radio waves, and this is the system you and every other worldwide user has access to free of charge. The other level is the price positioning service, which is measured on two radio frequencies. It is only available to the U.S. Armed Forces, federal government, and some of the allies of the U.S. There is even U.S. legislation on GPS, including the requirement for the Secretary of Defense to make law that prevent using GPS of Secretary of Defense to make law that prevent using GPS for the other reason. Many people may not know that there are many things GPS can calculate other than location, including speed, distance, sceneries, and sunset time, and much more. The government uses GPS for tracking things such as even location, speed, and distance. It also uses GPS for things like the movement of glaciers, studies of the national forests, farm mapping, and many others. GPS is not just for finding an address, and the abilities it has are very reaching into other fields of study. Thank you very much.